Once, this building was full of life, but today it stands silent, frozen in time. Welcome to a new adventure where we uncover the hidden stories of forgotten, abandoned buildings. This is Exploring Forgotten Abandoned Buildings. Shocking discoveries inside. All over the world, thousands of buildings have been left behind. Once centers of work, culture, and family life, they are now monuments to change, loss, and history. Today we are stepping into one of these forgotten structures, where every crack and shadow whispers a story from the past. As we step inside, broken windows, peeling paint, and hanging doors welcome us into a world long abandoned. Each room feels like a time capsule. This was once a place of meetings, laughter, and daily routines. Now it is silent, except for the sound of our footsteps and the echoes of what used to be. This building dates back to the late 19th century. Originally built as the city's largest community hall, it hosted weddings, town meetings, and cultural events. But in the 1980s, an economic downturn hit hard. Families moved away, businesses shut down, and eventually the building was locked and forgotten. Over time, it slipped out of memory and became just another empty shell. In one room we discover faded newspapers still clinging to the walls. Headlines from decades ago. A rusted typewriter sits on a desk as if someone walked away yesterday. Down in the basement, piles of old books and documents reveal pieces of the city's hidden history. These discoveries are not just fascinating, they are a bridge to another time. Abandoned buildings are not just piles of bricks. They are living museums of memory. Each brick and beam carries a story of the people who built it, lived in it, and eventually left it behind. Exploring places like this reminds us how human dreams and labor can fade, but traces of them endure. If you enjoyed this journey through forgotten places, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. We will continue to bring you more stories and secrets from the world's most fascinating abandoned sites. Until next time, keep exploring.